This is gonna blow your mind. Let's dive into 5 morning habits that can change your life forever. Habit number 1. Get up early. Own your morning for personal growth before responsibilities take over. Set an alarm, place your phone away, and embrace the quiet. Habit number 2. Drink warm water. It's a simple act with huge health benefits. Feel it cleanse and refresh you from the inside out. Habit number 3. Pray. Connect with a higher power. Share your feelings, seek guidance, and start your day with a grateful heart. Habit number 4. Exercise. Move your body to stay fit and healthy. Stretch, walk, or dance. Just get moving. Habit number 5. Keep your phone aside. Resist the urge to check notifications. Give yourself the gift of an undistracted morning. Remember, change is a journey. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your mornings transform your life. You've got this.